Welcome to our guide on using stock photo sites. In today's digital age, high-quality visuals are essential for content creation. There are two main types of stock photos, royalty-free and rights-managed. Let's explore their differences. When choosing a stock photo site, consider factors like the image variety, pricing, and licensing options. Most stock photo sites come with various search functions and filters. Make use of these to find the perfect images. Understanding image licensing is crucial. Always read the terms to know how and where you can use the images. When selecting images, look for clarity, composition, and relevance. High-quality images enhance your projects. Once you've made your selections, downloading and managing your images can be done in just a few clicks. Remember to credit photographers when required. Respecting copyright fosters a positive creator community. Beware of stock photo cliches. Aim for authenticity to make your content stand out. Now you're equipped to dive into the world of stock photos. Explore and let your creativity flow.